How to treat eye injuries with a first aid kit. When hiking, you might face unexpected challenges, including eye injuries from branches, dust, or falls. Knowing how to treat these injuries with a first aid kit can make a big difference. Let's talk about the steps you should take to handle eye injuries effectively. First, assess the injury carefully. If you notice a foreign object like dirt or a small particle in the eye, do not rub it. Instead, use clean water or sterile saline from your first aid kit to gently rinse the eye for at least 15 minutes. This helps flush out any irritants or chemicals that may be causing discomfort. In cases of chemical exposure, immediate rinsing with clean water is vital. The sooner you rinse, the better chance you have of reducing damage. If the eye is hit or bruised, apply a cold compress from your kit wrapped in a clean cloth. This can help reduce swelling and pain. Remember, avoid putting ice directly on the skin. For cuts, punctures, or any serious trauma to the eye, do not attempt to remove objects stuck in the eye or apply pressure. Instead, stabilize the eye by loosely covering it with a sterile eye pad or a clean cloth. Then seek emergency medical help right away. It is important to avoid using any medications or drops unless they are specifically designed for eye use and you are sure of the injury type. Lubricating eye drops in your kit can help soothe minor irritation or dryness, but they are not a treatment for trauma. Now let's talk about practical tips for hikers. Always carry a first aid kit that includes sterile saline or clean water, sterile gauze or eye pads, cold packs or materials to create a cold compress, and lubricating eye drops. Wearing protective eyewear, such as sunglasses or goggles, can also help prevent injuries while hiking. If you suspect a serious eye injury, prioritize getting to professional medical care instead of trying complicated treatments in the wilderness. You can use improvised materials from your hiking gear if needed, such as clean cloths or Ziploc bags filled with water for irrigation. Treating injuries on the trail involves gentle irrigation, cold compresses for bruising, careful protection of serious wounds, and prompt evacuation when necessary. Proper preparation and protective measures can help reduce the risk and severity of eye injuries during your hiking adventures.